Meghalaya constitutes consultative committee to look into the problem of COVID patients. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek said that today's review meeting has constituted a consultative committee comprising the state government and management representatives of private hospitals to look into the problems faced by the COVID patients. The committee has been formed because the state government has received reports that the treatment for COVID patients is extremely high in the private hospitals.
Agba ki ilayo so ya ki jing ong jong ki pai ba ba bun kam tam le ye ki tu ki ba ham duna ka jing yo ki ba thia agi private hospital ke dai ka da daw ka sarkar ka sim thia alor ka ni ki jing ye nak da daw ka sakhot ya ka ni ka meeting but ki private run hospital kena bagin ya smo tu kum no bagin la ban ai ka jing rap ka kham ba ta de da ka daw bagin sim la ban poi se ka bukut ke jing kan mene lai thum no da wei ka consultative committee apdeng jong ke private hospital bagi government banyak perkat namda ke jing bhag ke jing bit jing biang jong jurul kam jong pai ba da khot da leng ge DHSMI la khot RCN license da leng jong sarkar la khot RCN ba da leng jongaru munchar la khot sistem ye gani ge jige ka bagi si ge dum dei badang khot namta ilai perkat da du git ki por ki bagi pai ba ge gendu ye gani ge jige consultative committee matang imbansi ban bu no da gawe consultative committee ke bagi dan ke member nang tai na po ki private run hospital badang ke liang government banyak perkat ke ba bahan da banta ke jimun toy da ke banta ke jingerap ki pai ba jui amde bom pediang kata kena yu ya kan ka review meeting belakot mencuan naga lai hajar gila pengkiu ya kan ni sumari covid jangan rifu hajar lagi private hospital tu amde bom pediang ke sarkar nang le ki kam ke dapat ki jing e kadang boni bami ke sarkar ke man ke ski ke khot ya kan ni review meeting na ka banta banyak perkat halo ki jing e jom pai ba wi kendu